best way to make money online, whether you're a teen or an adult. I've been doing this for the past 2 years and I've made over $1,000. So right now I'm going to show you some proof and how it works. As you can see, I've made $2,000 and $7,000 using this strategy I'm about to show you right now. First, you go to clickbank.com and click on sign up. Next, click on marketplace. Now you're going to choose a topic like health and fitness. Now a bunch of products are going to show up. So right now you're going to pick one. Like this product, you earn $150 to promote it. So you click on promote and get your affiliate link. Next, you go to pixel.com and search for weight loss. Now you're going to pick an image that's related to your product and download it like this one. Next, you go to Canva. Click create a design. Now you're going to create a Pinterest pin that looks like this. Now you go to Pinterest and create a pin. Then you're going to create a pin that looks like this on Pinterest. Next, you add your keyword, your description, and your affiliate link right here. Now if someone clicks on your link and buy the product, you're going to earn a commission. So if you want to know more about this, follow me right now and make sure you click the link in my bio.